Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I am going to walk you through how to find and create your Clickbank tracking ID, an essential tool for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate or just starting out, this video is for you. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, let's first define what is a Clickbank tracking ID. So basically, Clickbank tracking ID serves as a tool to monitor the performance of different marketing campaigns, traffic sources, or promotional methods. So by using unique tracking IDs for each, you can see which ones are generating conversions and which ones may need adjustment or optimization, right? So how do we do that? First, you're gonna log into your Clickbank account. All right, and once you've successfully done that, go here at supportclickbank.com. So a Clickbank tracking ID is also the hop link. All right. So for you to create a hop link, you're gonna log into your Clickbank account first. Okay. After that, access the Clickbank marketplace through your primary account or nickname account, which is here, right? In the left part of your dashboard. After clicking that, you're gonna go here in marketplace and then find an offer you want to promote and click the promote button right here. And then step 4, enter your affiliate account nickname and tracking ID, which is optional but encouraged for analytics. So you have to create your hop link, all right? Now, when you create a hop link, of course, you will be needing your nickname first and a tracking ID. And then click copy to the encrypted hop link right here. And once you've copied that, test your hop link to ensure that it works by using the decoder in the hop link tool suite. Use this hop link in your promotional materials, including blogs, forums, and social media, right? So this is where you want to create a hop link, all right? Use the create tab to create encrypted hop links that do not show or pass any affiliate ID information. So here, all you gotta do is in the dashboard, create hop link, then the affiliate nickname and the seller nickname, all right? Once you've filled out that form, select the landing page you want your hop link to direct. But take note, often sellers only provide one landing page. If they have an additional hop link landing pages, it'll be displayed here, right here. Says a default and add a tracking ID. This step is, as again, is optional, all right? And then create hop link. And once you've done that, copy and paste and use it anywhere you will typically use a hop link. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.